Guys, it's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood. It's a very good game and you guys absolutely love it, so because of this I'm going to make more videos on it. Now I in no way, shape or form encourage the use of exploits. This is for educational purposes only. So let's go ahead and attach it. And we're going to execute. Boom, this is the whole GUI there. It has a good amount of features, but automatically turns on spy if you want to read the chats. Now there are lots of basic features, for example flying, walk speed, and fake macros, but today I'm going to take a look at the actual Autofarm. Now I'm going to go into here. I am in the public server, and I just don't want to mess with people, so I'm actually going to go into a private server really quickly. I actually found the Autofarm now, so you have to enable this, and then the rest is pretty much up to you. Once you do all of them, it's going to start doing the actual Autofarm, as you can actually see. Now this Autofarm is very good. It only takes a couple of minutes to get big amounts of money. Now in case it was to stop working, all you have to do is reset the game, because I've had this issue. However, if you leave this on over some time, you can definitely make a good amount of cash. Now I'm going to leave it on for a couple of minutes, and I'll be right back whenever I make some good amount of money. So this about sums up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of good features, definitely. We made around 4K in just a couple of minutes, so if this is something that you leave on overnight, you can definitely come back to a couple million, depending on how much time you have it on. But once again, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.